If you are looking for an affordable and ready for occupancy townhouse here in Project 4, Quezon City, please continue to watch this video. So we are here right now in Project 4, Quezon City near Cubao. If you are looking for a house and lot, na compound type or even naka-individual yung gate, we still have 4 units available. So let's check this actual turnover unit. Let's go. So as you can see, guys, this is your parking area. So this can accommodate 2 cars. So pwedeng SUV or even sedan, pwede. So moving forward, we have here your maid's room with its own toilet and bath. And meron tayo dyan kasamang water tank, no? That's part of the turnover also. So this is your main entrance. So let's go up. So, na-excite ako sa unit na to or sa project na to, it's because according sa, based dun sa market no, that we are selling, ito yung pinaka affordable or pinaka mura sa area nila, sa area na to, no, sa Project 4 near Cubao. So this is your kitchen and part ng turnover na yung mga cabinetries. Okay? And meron tayo dyan a service area or airflow. And of course, this is your master bedroom with its own toilet and bath. Though pwede mo itong naka-sliding door siya eh. Ayan. So pwede siya naka-lock, pwede siya naka-close for privacy, and then the toilet and bath ay nasa labas. So this is also your master bedroom na napakalaki ng glass window, no, to give us a natural source of light. Yan. So hindi na natin kailangang nakailaw pa during daylight kasi we have a natural source of light. So let's proceed sa third floor. Sa third floor, guys, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 common toilet and bath. Okay, so we have here your this is a common toilet. This is a shower na nakahiwalay yung powder room natin. And we have here as well your, buksan natin na para may hangin. Yan. And meron tayo ditong powder room. And we have here your bedroom 2. Ayan. Okay, sige. Okay na yan. So let's go. And nandito tayo ngayon sa bedroom 3. Alright. Okay, so malaki din yung mga glass windows natin. So guys, if you are interested and you wanted to book a tripping, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. So once again, this is June Carlo, your property host, helping you find your home.